Something, if you've coded on Squarespace, that is an essential is the block ID finder. And more specifically in this case is being able to find section IDs using that block ID finder. So the block ID finder is here on Google Chrome. You can only use it on Google Chrome, and it's called Squarespace ID Finder. I always butcher the name, but Squarespace ID Finder is its official name. So you will need to install this on your Google Chrome. And whenever you land on a Squarespace website and click on that icon, you will see section IDs, block IDs, and collection IDs. Now, one thing specifically that I find the section ID finder tool to be really useful for is hiding sections on mobile. So if I look on mobile and I want to hide a specific section that I just don't think works well, maybe it's this one. To be fair, this looks fine, but just to show you an example, let's say on desktop, it looks great. But then on mobile, I want to hide it. So I click on this section here and it's copied. So you see the way it comes up with copied. I'll go pages and then I'll head down to website tools, custom CSS. And then I'll add the squiggly brackets in here. And then I'll put a media query around it, which I'll show you in a moment. But then if you see here, I say display none, that section is removed. And then here we'll just paste the media query. So max width just means basically the width of the screen itself. So anything under 640px, which is usually phones, we want to hide this section. Now, this isn't the only thing that you can use the section ID finder for, but it is an extremely useful or an extremely pertinent use case. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want someone to find your section IDs and build your website for you, you can get in touch using the links in the description.